Say hi, Papa. She's floating.
I gonna get you. Here I come. Oh, this is Sammy's bed. Are you going to sleep with Sam tonight? Are you sleeping with Sam Dog tonight? Sammy kisses you. Oh, she's so tired. She's so tired. She's tired. She's going to sleep in the dog's bed. Are you tired? You ready to go night-night? You try to cover up? You want some blankets? There you go. There's some blankets for you. Night-night. You go night-night? Okay, you go night-night. Can I have kisses? Can I have night-night kisses? I'm going to get you. Boo! 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 Let me give you kisses. Take your picture. Let me take your picture. Smile. Please. Please smile. Please. 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 Please smile. Can I take your picture? Let me take your picture. Please. That's probably not a good thing for you to play with. Can I have that, please? Give it to Grandma, please. Sydney, give me that now. Thank you. Where are you going? What are you doing? Flower. Look at that flower. Look at that pretty flower. Can you pick it? You pick the flower? Now smell it. Oh, smell the flower. Can you smell it for Grandma? Smell it. Can I smell it? Oh. You smell it. Smell the flower for Grandma. Smell it. Hey, where are you going? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. You going to sit down? Oh, I hear Mommy coming. Do you hear Mommy? Get it, Sammy. Take it back, Sydney. Gonna get it from Sam? Get it, Sydney. Get the toy. You got a shadow. Maybe not.
Give it to Sam. Come here.
Get up and try it again. Do those pajamas have feet in them?
No.
Good. Kick. There. Yay. Kick the ball. Go kick the ball. Kick the ball. Ball. Kick it again. Grandma's going to kick it. Here I go. You ready? Here I go. Kick the ball. Come on, let's go kick it. Kick it. Kick it. No, Sam. Kick it. Don't kick Sam. Just kick the ball. Look, kick the ball. Here I come. Ready? Kick the ball. Oh. Whoa. Kick the ball. Where are you going? Sammy, no. Sammy, no. Where are you going? Gonna climb the mountain? Oh, climb that mountain. You could climb it. You could climb it. I told you. I told you. Where's the swing? Come here, you want to swing? You want to slide? Oh, airplane! I see the airplane. Do you see the airplane? Oh, I see the airplane. Sammy, come. Samantha, come. I see the plane. Plane. Say, Sammy, come. Come, Sammy. Sammy dog. Good girl, Sammy. Uh-oh. Get up. Get up. You throwing the sand? Mommy's going to go, what you do to my baby? He's all dirty now. You giving Sammy night kisses? Cracker. Yeah, I see you got crackers. That's a good breakfast. Chocolate graham crackers. Where are you going? Sydney Ann, come back here. You cannot go. You stay here. Grandma's going to come get you. Oh, you're such a poop. Grandma don't want to come get you. Can't Grandma just sit down and have her cup of coffee? Can't we just sit down and have a cup of coffee? Hmm? You digging in the dirt? Are you digging in the dirt? I see you digging. Sammy wants to help. Where are you going? No, 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 no. That's no. Stay out of the water. Out of the water. Go sit down and play with your toys. What are you doing? What are you doing? What? Can you say up, please? Can you say please? Say please. What's that? A lime. See? Mm-hmm. It's a lime. Come here, give me kisses. Got kisses for Grandma. Put it in. Put it in. Wiggle it. Oh, be nice. Put it. Put it in. Wiggle it. Here. One more time. Put it in. Wiggle it. Put it out. Wiggle it. Oh no. Get it. Wiggle it. Wiggle it. Woo! Put it in. Wiggle it. Wiggle it. Now get it. Be nice. Say sorry. Mom's covered in bubbles. Can I see it? Can I see her make bubbles? Watch. Watch.
She got bubbles in her hair.
Get the bubbles.
Whoa.
Okay. Catch the bubbles. Oh. Look at all the bubbles.